this from my mother. That's her This is my room. That's my mother's, my grandmother's things. So this one. Look, what have I done? Ayan o, kung gusto nyo makita yung nagamit ko, it's a phone. There's the light. And she's on charger. So, ayan. Then, I'm gonna use this blush. Here. Tama na ako. Gosh, ano ang pinaba? Actually, I do this video because gusto ko Tagalog. Sige na, patagalog na ako. Hirap na ako ng English eh. So yan guys, lalagay na ako ng powdered foundation. Kaya kung foundation ba ito o? Basta alam ko foundation. Ayun, walang primer, walang concealer, yan. Wala tayong lang. Hindi pa ako nakabili. Beauty hacks. So, ayun, nabata pa ako. May-makeup na ako. Pangalat ko talaga. Sorry guys, pangalat ko talaga. So, this is my mirror. I use my mirror. Okay. Look, this is my phone and this is the mirror. Look. The mirror. And this one. Grabe. Ang hirap-hirap ka na tayo. I met you in the dark. Actually, it's night time. So next up is okay, eyebrows. So okay, this is just a small. Kailangan ba naman? So guys, yan, all of that gagamitin natin. Sorry. So actually, yung iba dyan, gagamitin ko. Yun ako. So, ano kulay ba? Actually, nahirap akong pumili. Pero napili ko na yung brown. Kaya ito na lang. This brown. Pero makulay mo na. So, kasi ako guys, pag ako ng makeup, kaya lang pa ako. Hindi talaga ako pumipikit. Kasi pag pumipikit ako, ang gulo. Grabe. So, papatingin ko yung light. Monster! Charot. Kulit ko. So, yan guys, tatapusin ko lang. So, yan. Kaya kapag ka na after. So, lalagyan ka naman ng eyeliner. Ang gulo na naman ng pins ko. Mali na lang magiging. Pati puso niya, ang gulo, hindi na siya makapigil. Actually, I'm using the eyebrows. Kasi hindi talaga kailangan mo mag-eyebrows. Tignan ko na. Eyeliner ko na lang po. So you say you won't let go. You say you won't let go. So it's time for the blushes. This color. This one and this one. Kaya akong hirap. So it's fine. Gusto mo mag-highlight? Sige, highlight tayo. This one. This one, I guess the one. Okay, highlight. So we're gonna put in my lipstick. So all we need is this one. This one and this one. Gonna put, So nakapaglagay na ako. So I'm gonna put the eyeshadows. Or blusher. And I'm gonna use these colors. And that it's. So hindi ako naglagay para ganito. Thanks for watching.